The High Court has passed an order which will be very crucial for many NDPS cases, means drugs related cases. The High Court in its verdict has observed that LSD along with blot paper will be calculated to determine whether the quantity of the drugs is commercial or not. Earlier in a NDPS matter, single bench of the Bombay High Court had held that only pure LSD should be calculated to determine whether the quantity is commercial or not, because the punishment depends upon the quantity is commercial or not. In another matter, another single judge bench had held that blot paper should also be calculated along with LSD to determine the quantity is commercial or not, because consumer take that blot paper as drugs. Due to contradiction in the views of two single judges, now this matter had come up before the division bench comprising Justice Mahesh Sonak and BP Deshpande. The division bench, after hearing the parties at length, has now delivered the verdict and has held that blot paper should be included, rather must be included, to determine whether the drugs quantity, means quantity of the LSD, is commercial or not. Definitely it will define the many cases pending in the state of Goa. The quantity of the drugs should be calculated along with the blot paper. Definitely this verdict of the High Court will impact many similar cases, many cases related with the LSD in the state of Goa. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.